How to change the press and hold power button function for your Realme phone to access the power menu, which would be this here, or the digital assistant. This is a Realme phone, Realme C67 with Android 14 or 15. If you just got your Realme phone and you want to make changes to the settings here, use the quick access like this, go into the settings toggle right here. Once you're in this area here, go into the search settings and type in the words power menu. As you type that in, you will see the suggestion, tap on it, and it'll take you straight to where you need to go. So by doing this here, you will have the press and hold power of button here, the power button, to either access the power off menu or the digital assistant. When you have the digital assistant option set, you can press and hold the duration settings here, change that there, and it's up to you to make that decision here. And of course, press the power button and the volume up at the same time to get into the power off menu if you decide to stick with the digital assistant. So you can do this, hold down the up and power like this here to get this if you wanted, or just switch to the power menu to do this here like that. And that is that, my friends. Like and sub.